Welcome to this episode of Campfire Cooking Sessions. Today I've got Rian from Rome Free Overland and he's going to whip up some gourmet camping food for us. I've got no idea what's going on, so he's going to explain exactly what tonight's menu is going to be.
So tonight we're going to do trio of chicken wings, so buffalo wings as it's normally known for. So we've got the sticky barbecue bourbon mix here with some proper Buffalo Trace bourbon, and then we'll do a blue cheese sauce with that, and then we've got the classic buffalo mix, so with hot sauce, and you can see we've got the XXX hot sauce here.
Oh, okay.
We also have red chili sauce, so hope your toilet paper is in the fridge.
And my favorite, ghost pepper from Fynbos Foods.
So we're gonna need it. And then we'll also do, the last one will be a Hoisin glazed wing, and so we'll coat that with some Hoisin sauce, also some sesame seed oil on there, some fresh ginger, and yeah, we'll garnish that with some spring onions and some honey as well.
It sounds amazing. This is pretty simple and you can make this at your average camp as long as you've got a chef with you, Rian.
So yeah, so we're gonna keep it simple. So what I'll do is, so all the wings will be on the braai, and then what we'll do is little trick, and we'll go and we'll deep fry them as they come off the braai, and then we'll make the sauces so long, and then it's pretty easy. As soon as they come out of the fryer, in the sauce, coat it,
Okay.
and then ready to eat.
Cheers.
Cheers. So first we'll do is we'll start with the bourbon sticky barbecue mix.
Okay.
So for that you need bourbon, ketchup, need some Worcestershire sauce, apple cider vinegar, and then some ground cumin, paprika, and coriander. So once you do that, you mix all of that together, and once that's reduced down, we're going to add a little bit of batter,
Okay.
just to give that a nice shine and make it nice and rich. For this, you need 150 mils of ketchup, and then 100 mils of apple cider vinegar, and also 100 mils of bourbon. And then just add the spice, teaspoon of each, and we're going to add in some hot sauce just for the heck of it.
It sounds absolutely delicious.
We're going to just do, so this is 60, so just do 1, that's 50, just if you go just below the line, and then for the bourbon we'll do the same.
Is it still fun though?
Have to make sure.
Taste it, I don't know. This is informal campfire cooking sessions, by the way.
I think it's still pretty good.
It's good. Now we can use that.
So same measurement for that, just for the hell of it. And then the ketchup, so this you want 150 ml of. So to show you how accurate we are, that's 50, that's 100, that's 150. I've got my cheat sheet here, so it's a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of coriander, and then I brought, instead of normal paprika, I decided to go for the smoked paprika. And then we'll do the coriander. So this is just dry coriander, this is not fresh coriander. So we're going to use fresh coriander to garnish it, and that's the fresh coriander there. But this is just, they take the seeds, they grind it down, and then that makes sort of your normal dried coriander. And then same measurement for our smoked paprika.
I'm quickly going to get my head torch for this.
Then we're just going to take a whisk, mix it all about, and then put it in the pan, and we're going to start reducing that for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then once that's done, we'll add another batter, and then we'll keep this on the side. So you want 1 tablespoon of the Worcestershire sauce. In here we'll do the ghost pepper. You say that's your favorite?
I love it. Because if in the morning a felty is going to be difficult with that amount of ghost pepper.
There we go.
Sure.
We'll be okay. Carlos said he likes.
I won't shoot tomorrow.
He likes
morning,
it hot,
but,
so you know we're keeping up to our promise.
Well, we've actually got a crowd here right next to us, joining in for the camp. Carlos all the way from Limpopo, and we've got Bredasdorp Breker, debatable here.
Just Bredasdorp at this stage.
Oh, this is some nice. Where did you buy this from? Jamie?
So,
Oliver. Oh.
very fancy.
Can I crush it in there?
Yes, please. All the way from
Bredasdorp.
Bredasdorp. The northern suburbs of Bredasdorp.
Oh, can I just show you, brag, with my custom Siberian chef's knife? Oh, it's a beauty.
So 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going for trickle. Okay.
Just 2 cloves, right?
2 cloves, yeah.
Okay.
Because
Done.
you can never have enough garlic.
So
Right.
3.
Say again?
3.
Yeah, why not?
Okay, why not? A big one.
Okay, so that sauce is done. So we're going to start getting that in here, get that hot, and then we'll start reducing it. And then as soon as it thickens up, then we'll add a nice big knob of butter, and just you'll see that sauce shine immediately through. Once that's going, then we'll start with our next sauce, which will be our hoisin sauce. Now the hoisin sauce, you've got 2 options. So you can reduce it if you want to, but it's not necessary. So what we're going to do at this stage is that one we're not going to reduce, and we're just going to, as the wings are frying, we'll do a coat on the wings, and then when we're done, we'll use the last bit of sauce, and then we'll just coat those wings to make sure that we've got them full of sauce.
Can I just mention, so everyone that's not listening and following what he's saying exactly like at the moment, I'll list the whole recipe in the description and then you can follow it from there. I'm looking very forward to this recipe tonight.
Next recipe, we're going to do
Can I chop this?
the hoisin. No, that's
No.
going to be for garnish. We're going to do that last. Not
Okay.
going to chop
What
that.
What can
Okay,
I chop?
so what we'll do is we're going to mix this. We're going to do more garlic, and you're going to grate ginger. So little trick for the ginger, take a spoon, and then all that you do to get the skin off, just take the spoon.
Ah. Oh, it smells so nice.
Okay, so once you've done that, you can just chop the end off, and then you can start grating some. I only need about a tablespoon of ginger. Then
So 2 tablespoons.
Then the sauce for this, really simple. So like I mentioned, 1/4 cup, 60 mils. So we're going to do 1/4 cup of soy, 1/4 cup of the hoisin, 1/4 cup of the honey actually. So, and then we'll do 2 teaspoons of the sesame oil.
So we forgot the honey actually, to be honest. And by accident I had honey sachets in the drawer because I like drinking honey with my tea, shoot me. So it works out.
Hoisin is a just an Asian sauce, and I believe, I might be wrong, so don't quote me on this, but I think it's made from soya beans actually, but I might be wrong. Like I said, don't
How does
quote me
it
on
differ
this.
from soy?
So this is just fermented soybeans. So normal soy is just a very
Plain.
light sauce,
Oh, okay.
but this goes
Right.
really thick and like sort of got a nice sweet texture to it.
Ah, it's like a glaze almost.
Yes, exactly. So 1/4 cup of that, very accurate measurements.
Do you have this kind of stuff in Limpopo as well?
And spur.
Boerewors,
And spur.
steak and pap. That sounds good enough for me.
And don't forget the sauce.
And
This is not gonna
sauce,
work.
the pap sauce.
Okay, so this sauce is bubbling. I'm going to turn the heat down.
If I screw this up, it's going to be my fault. So let's not screw this up.
So it's funny, then it's like,
And if it's great, then it's Rian's celebration. Story of my life.
Okay, so honey, little cheese sachets, and we're going to do, in this, we're going to do 4 sachets. Well, the sauce can stand, but you are on wing duty, so fry them,
Yeah.
fry them, coat them. We're going to
Okay.
do a deep fry of the wings, 2 of the wings, and what the deep fry does is it gives it a very nice sort of crispy texture, and then the sauce just sort of sticks to it.
Okay. Right, I think I've got 2 tablespoons worth of ginger in this bowl.
Perfect. And then what you can also do is you can do 3 cloves of garlic. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of 5 spice, very accurate measurement. And then we're going to mix that up. So that one we're not going to reduce, and all we're going to do is we're just going to use a normal brush, and we'll coat the wings while it's on the fire. So you can see this is just bubbling away. You can already see it's thickened up a little bit. We'll let this go for another 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll add a nice big knob of butter, and then that can stand and cool while we wait for the wings. The last one, and this is probably the most dangerous one. So Carlos mentioned that he likes hot sauce. Now we've got XXX sauce here, courtesy of Walk the Line Adventures. We'll try it and we'll see how we go, and then we'll decide for ourselves.
We'll see tomorrow morning.
Carlos, do you want to come and try a little bit of this? Okay, Hannes is going to give. Hannes, is your fingers clean? Don't worry, this will clean it right off. Be brave, Carlos.
Can I taste?
Nice. That is delicious. What is that?
So this is chili sauce, XXX chili sauce.
Took way too much. Oh, that's good though.
It's nice.
It's got a little bit of a Tabasco flavor,
but it's very flavorful.
Nice smoked
Yeah.
flavor, lots of garlic.
It's really good.
So what we'll do is take the XXX sauce, reduce it into Dixie,
Okay.
add some honey, and then add some butter just to give it a nice rich flavor. Add some shine, and then that can stand, and that will get used to coat on the wings. And then our sauces are done.
Righto, the wings are done.
And assembled. So we've
Only
got,
took us 2 hours.
we've got the chili one here. So this is the buffalo
It's proper.
normal one.
It's proper.
Then we've got our bourbon sticky barbecue one here. And we've got the hoisin one, just garnished with some toasted sesames and spring onion.
And I haven't tasted one, so guys, please join us. We can have some wings, we can have some tapas, and then
We've got some blue cheese sauce here if you want to
yes.
kill them out. So blue cheese sauce, some mayo, sour cream.
So which one blue cheese?
I want to try
any
the
of them?
bourbon one.
I'm going to go for the chili one too.
Dude, this is no jokes. This is really good.
Yo,
Cheers, guys.
Oh wow,
cheers.
George.
Cheers.
Grab some and
Dit de proei. That's amazing, yeah.
cheers.
Thank you very much for watching this Campfire Cooking Sessions. This is Rian from Roamfree Overland, and he's definitely going to be the chef on the next few videos to come. Thanks, Rian. This is excellent, really.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thanks, Rian.
Enjoy,
This
guys.
is great.
Cheers.
Yeah. Don't know who's going to wash up, but anyway.
That was Emma.